Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to properly clean the print heads of an Epson L4150 printer without the need to use a computer. But before we start this video, I'd like to invite you to activate the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, or become a member to continue supporting this content. Now guys, let's get started. Well guys, many of us at some point have had this type of result in our prints, whether it's streaks or color issues. To fix this, we're going to do the following. We're going to press the cancel button and hold it for 3 seconds until the blue light starts blinking. This will indicate that the printer will automatically begin the print head cleaning process, which takes approximately 5 minutes. During this process, you'll be able to see the printer moving the print head from left to right with the colors. It's very important not to interrupt this process and to let the printer work calmly until it finishes completely. The process ends when the power light stays steady and you no longer hear any mechanism working. Now we turn off the printer. Now to check if the cleaning worked correctly, we're going to place paper in the paper tray. Make sure the paper is properly loaded and press these 2 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds until the blue light starts blinking again. This will make the printer perform a color test, allowing us to verify whether the cleaning was successful. If the print still shows errors, we'll need to repeat the entire process. As you can see, the printer starts printing the color test. This process can also take a little time, so we just need to wait. Here we can already see how the page was printed with all the colors coming out correctly. It's important to remember that if the problem persists even after repeating the process, a manual cleaning will be necessary. However, this method of cleaning the print heads is quite effective and can help us solve many common printer problems. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video. As always, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.